This is a video at the Robinson residence. It's a Lennox furnace that has a bad heat exchanger. The model number is kind of hard to see in here. I don't know if I can get you a picture of the model number, but we have that on photos. So it is has a 2-ton Lennox coil. There's the tag on it, and we've got 5/8, 3/8 suction and liquid line. It's 3/4, 3/8 suction liquid line. Those go around and up between the joist and out the sidewall or the back wall, down and out. So that's where that runs. The flue is a 4-inch flue, and it runs over and into the chimney. So we'll have to do something about that. There's probably no chimney liner. Filters inside the furnace. 16 by 20 filter inside the furnace. 1/2-inch gas line coming in at the side. It does have a shut-off valve that needs to be replaced to a side handle valve. Electrical there, and ductwork running both directions. Return air drop with a flex connector on it, which is good. So that is about it. We'll probably figure a 96% furnace on this, and vent it out the back like the refrigerant lines. Good looking ductwork, should be plenty adequate for the 2-ton system. Access is basement steps, fairly wide, right straight up to the basement door, and there's a back door from the patio or from the carport, right straight in.